get off the couch and get your ass to a local show. Not like we were getting late anyway. Gig Guide. On a front, considering all the hardware failings and a lack of sleep, we now unashamedly phone in this week's episode of Gig Guide.
Mediocre episode.
Oh yes, we usually try and make these things amusing to maintain some interest, but sadly, we just tend to offend people. So instead of humor, we'll give you what you really want. Boobs, jiggling keys, jiggly boobs. Right, now that we've pitched this episode to the lowest common denominator, we go to Gauteng. Friday, 8th November, Rumors Lounge, Savage Lucy, F-Spot, and Raptor Baby. Also Friday, at Sundowners, Face the Gallows Chapters album launch with Climate Control and the Poverty of Ideals. Also Friday, at Arcade Empire, we think, the Bloodlust Tour, featuring Because of Betrayal, 11th Hour, Borgasm, and Chromium. And on Saturday the 16th at Arcade Empire, Let's Get Wrecked, featuring Matters Machine, Newtown Knife Gang, Face the Gallows, and Pestroy. Also at Sundowners, the Black Cat Bones, Line of Sight, Only Forever, and Alberton Super Duper Heroes, Daddy's Muse. And on the 17th, in Soweto, apparently, Punk Fuck! What? That party, the Mosque, Death Commission, Leftovers, Conqueror, the Slash Dogs, and Octopus. And in Cape Town on the 16th at Roar, we say farewell to Sabretooth, along with their pals Enmity and Tambora. Right, if you missed your gig, fuck you. I mean, we're sorry. It helps not to spam your gigs to an old crusty sock. Rather do it all over our wall. We love spam. Cheers.